Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Brawl Stars intro on piano. We will immediately begin by identifying the main melody's core notes, specifically focusing on the initial ascending 5-note pattern. Finding middle C is your very first step, as the intro's first note begins just one step above this central point. This simple starting phrase sets the stage for the entire recognizable piece, guiding your fingers smoothly across the keys. Start by placing your right-hand thumb on the D key, which is located directly above middle C. Then, assign your index finger to E, middle finger to F sharp, ring finger to G, and pinky finger to A. Practice playing these 5 notes slowly in sequence, ensuring each note rings out clearly and distinctly. This establishes the foundational ascending pattern of the intro. After mastering the ascending 5-note segment, extend the right-hand melody. The pattern continues by descending A, G, F sharp, E, D, then shifts to C sharp. Practice connecting these phrases smoothly, ensuring your fingers maintain a comfortable, relaxed curve. Aim for an even tempo, perhaps counting a steady beat of 100 beats per minute to capture the iconic rhythm. Now, let's incorporate your left hand to add depth to the intro. Your left hand will play simple block chords, starting with a G major triad, G, B, and D. After 4 beats, shift to a D major triad, D, F sharp, and A. Practice playing these chords in time with your right hand's melody, aiming for a soft, supportive sound. The left hand provides a crucial harmonic foundation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.